Is this recipe the best thing to bring to a fancy party? He's tuxedoing it right.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make spring rolls. No winter rolls here, only spring rolls. The rolls of the spring. Fun fact, the song Rolling by Limp Bizkit is based off of his love of spring rolls. Stupid, it doesn't make it. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Let's get rolling. That worked. First up, let's whip out our lardons. Take a lard off. Where does bacon go to get an education? The School of Lard Knox. It's a lard knock life for us. I'm sure Jay-Z likes lardons. Lardons are pretty much just bacon. Lardons du cochon. On fait des lardons, quoi. Transfer your lardons to a paper towel. It's like I always say, the best place for a lardon is in your mouth. Chippy choppy, let's get chopping. What? Carrots. Take the skin off these carrots. You can't get a sunburn if you don't have skin. Let me skin it for you. I guess he's not as skin-interesting anymore. Beep, boop, beep, boop. Carrots are good. Carrots are good for the eyes. And then you pull out a carrot that still has skin and you show him what happens when he doesn't behave. This is what happens. This is what happens. Carotid arteries. Whoop. Vegetables are good. I miss Christopher Reeves. Just julienne your carrot. Julienne? That's a really nice kitty. Minimize your carrots. Carrots? Right here. No waste. Kimchi break. Okay, back to work. Cucumber. No one keeps their skin on today's episode. Julienne, your cucumber. Julienne? I sound like Scooby-Doo. I don't even sound like Bubbles. He puts the cum in cucumber. No, don't say that. So what is cucumber but a miserable pile of secrets? Let us begin. Get yourself some Boston lettuce. Are you even from Boston? You're made in Quebec. You're not even Boston lettuce. You're a lie, stupid lying lettuce. No one likes a filthy liar, Boston lettuce. Can't even call you that anymore. Roll up your Quebec lettuce into a little... Kidding. No, it's lettuce. Don't do that. It's little lanyards of lettuce. Now you have your little pile of lies. Herbs. Cilantro. That's probably too much. What's an insect's favorite herb? Cilantro. Choose your destiny. Neville Longbottom would really appreciate this part of the show. If you guys know, you know. Mint. What do you call it when a herb talks to itself? Minternal dialogue. What do you call it when a herb and a veggie make love? Minterracial corn. Where do you come up with this stuff, you goofball? Mint and cilantro, super tasty, friends. Herbs fully loaded. It's a Lindsay Lohan movie. Guys, nothing's shrimp possible if you put your mind to it. Who's your favorite rapper? Mine is Spring Roll Rappers. Why did the crustacean dump her boyfriend? Because he was shrimpitant. Flaccid shrimp. Okay, so I guess you just put this in here. It's gone. Magic. Start off with a couple shrimps, a couple things of lardon. Whip out your secret ingredients. Ooh. Get yourself some Lao Gan Ma because it's so good. You will be our secret weapon. Just a little bit in here. And then we have a little bit of herbs, a couple of cucumbers, end it with a little bit of salad on top, and hope for the best. It's a labor of love. On a scale of 1 to excited, I am all of it. Herbs go on again. It's tough. It's a bit tough, but it's okay. It's worth it. Yeah. It's kind of working. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be good. Shrimps, masters of nothing. This one's too wet. But on the flip side, you can have adventures with this too. Hello. Bet you never saw a guy eat his own face. What a nice guy. Spring rolls. A little bit of hot sauce. And now I eat you, spring roll. Yeah, it's so good. Oh yeah. It's fresh, it's spicy, a bit of hot sauce. It's a bit of work, but it's easy work. Keep on rolling. Too cool for school. Bye, friends. Mine.